In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Discord account. If you've forgotten your password or you're locked out, don't worry. This walkthrough will get you back in quickly and safely, whether you're on the desktop app, mobile app, or a web browser. Start by opening Discord's login page. You can use the app on your device or go to the website in your browser. You'll see the usual fields for your email and password. Right under the password field, there's a small link that says, "Forgot your password." Go ahead and click that. This link is the official, built-in way to reset your password, so you don't need any third-party tools. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Discord account. Type the same email you used when you signed up or the one you currently use to log in. Double-check for typos or extra spaces, because even a small mistake will prevent the reset email from arriving. If you have multiple email addresses, pick the one you've received Discord notifications at in the past. Now, open your email inbox and look for a message from Discord. It can take a minute or two to arrive. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder and consider searching your inbox for the word Discord. Make sure the message is genuinely from Discord before you click anything. This protects you from phishing. If you still don't see the email after a few minutes, you can return to the login page and request another reset link. When the email arrives, open it and click the password reset link. This will take you to a secure page where you can set a new password. If you get a message saying the link has expired, it's normal. Just go back and request a fresh one and use it right away. On the reset page, choose a strong new password. Aim for something unique that you haven't used on other sites, ideally with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can help you create and store a strong one so you don't forget it later. Confirm your new password, save the change, and then log in with your email and the new password you just set. If you use two-factor authentication on your account, you'll be prompted for your code after entering the new password. That's it. You've recovered your Discord account by resetting your password. Go to the login page, use "Forgot your password," enter your email, open the reset email, click the link, set a new password, and sign in. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to save your new password securely.